Live in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. Just want to give you updates of the situation I was talking about yesterday with no sun. And here we go. Check this out. Subscribe, like, and share. All right, folks. Just a quick update into the weather. Yesterday, I was showing you guys. You see the sun is coming out. Just a whole bunch of struggling to the side of it. Other clouds, you can see just like winter now. Steam coming out from the chimneys and all that stuff. It's really cold, but it's okay. And this is the weather, just reporting live from Minnesota, JW Solar USA. That's what happened. Clouds passing by. Better than yesterday or the past week. So, just an update. Alright, guys. Take care. Bye bye. Just to show you, after been having some rough weeks of sunlight, today, look at the skies. Let me show you. It's gonna be a beautiful day today, and we hope it's gonna continue like this. So, heading out somewhere for different projects, and just showing you how the weather looks like here in Minnesota, JW Solar USA. It's really nice. The sun finally came out today. For past 2 weeks, we've been hammered so much and no sunlight. And trust me, guys, it feels like winter already. You're not supposed to feel like that. We have to enjoy the fall, but sometimes we transition right away from summer to boom, winter. You know, it's hard when Mother Nature works like that, but you don't have anything to do, so you just gotta keep on going with the flow. So this is how it looks like, and I'm so happy instead of being cold. And this is how it looks like, and look at the skies, all blue. And I think we're gonna be having more energy coming in today for solar production. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Well, this is the end of the day here, and just showing you on my way out. These are the clouds that are settling down, and everything looks fine. We got some power production today. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye bye.